That's a toad. What is going on, guys? Hey, it's your boy Manny B here with the Skinny Water Boys. Thank y'all so much for tuning in today. As y'all can see, I'm in this beautiful, beautiful section of river. I haven't fished in quite some time. Look at this. Super random. Look at this view behind this way. It's absolutely gorgeous. We got overcast. Guys, I'm gonna be throwing a different color Strike King Rage Bug, I think it's called. I never remember the names of them, but all I know is they catch. But guys, if you haven't already, if you're new to this channel and you're trying to get into kayak fishing for 2021, guys, follow and subscribe to this channel, because guys, I am showing y'all all kinds of stuff, especially if you're getting into fishing as well and overnight trips, you name it, guys. So hit that like button, and if you're not already, hit that subscribe button. Thank y'all so much for watching. Let's get right to it. That's a nice bass right there. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, not bad, boys. That's not great, but my drag is way too loose. Oh my gosh. This water clarity is sick. Let's go. That was pretty quick, not gonna lie. There we go. Not a big one, but he just felt big because it's current strong. Okay, look at how clear this water is. There you go. My drag was way too loose for that fish. And it's pretty hot today for January, how cold it's been. Now all of a sudden it's freaking hot. I wonder if we can get a big one today though. I'm talking about a big one. There's some hidden giants here. It's just you gotta get them. And I switched it up. Last time I was using like a Strike King bug, Rage Bug, whatever you want to call them, in California 420 color. But this time I'm using a watermelon red, a little bit more natural. I think the bait fish. Oh dang! Look at that. I need to stop talking. But the bait fish and like crawfish have a different hue to them. That's a little bit more natural. So in this scenario, I'm kind of just matching my kayak, because they're gonna see me with this water so clear, so they're gonna be able to see the white. I'm kind of matching the kayak. When they look up, they're like, that looks pretty normal, even though my kayak doesn't belong here. So what I'm doing, I'm using like a 1/4 ounce tungsten as well. 1/4 ounce tungsten with like a 4/0 hook, worm, EWG. I think they're made by H2O worm hook. I've tried all the, you know, the Owner, the Chokar, and they've all done the same for me. The Chokar usually bend out like crazy. I don't trust them. So why would I pay more for the same thing? Oh, had a bite. There's one thing, guys, that they don't really teach y'all about. You have to be quiet in clear water. Like all these ripples I just made, it's not good. That's why I'm kind of just letting the current take me and just chilling. Small adjustments is key. Oh shoot. In clear water. Oh yeah, great. Great, dude. You just got tangled up in that tree. I was just talking about it. Oh my gosh, dude. Look at all those fish right there. No, it's not fish. Yeah, it is. Oh, there's a bunch of fish. Holy crap. They look like weeds right there. Not very big, but hey, that's a fish. I was like, damn, those weeds look a lot like fish right there. Look at that little guy. Where's your mama? Oh, that's a nice one. There we go, boys. The crawl is a ticket today. Let's go. Let's go. Not bad, not bad. Yep, I'm sticking with the crawl. We're wanting this. He was in that mess. They're really in that grass right now, and then I'm just letting it just go through there, nice and slow. Got another. Oh, yes, sir. Let's go. Boys, look at that. They're on. Let's get them. Oh, that's a big one. That's a big one. Oh. Oh. That's a toad. Oh. Yes, sir. That's a tank, boys. That's a tank. Let's go. Look at that mouth. Oh my gosh, that's a nice one. Let's go. Sir, let's go. Boys, finally, I knew it was just a matter of time before I got a good one. Dude, I literally, there's like a cleared out area over here, just like no grass, nothing, and there's like a cave underneath, and then I creeped up on it, cast there already, nothing, and then I was casting in the middle, then I saw a big one, this one came out, and then he was like looking around, and he came back, and then I threw my crawfish in there just really quietly, and I just barely moved it, and I saw him grab it, and just boom, game was on. Let me show you guys one more time before I let her go. Thing's a beast. Really skinny, but hey, it'll do. Check it out, boys. Oh, gorgeous dark colors, guys. Look at that. Thing is beautiful. Let's go. Let's see if we can't get on some more, boys. Come on. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for showing up, big girl. That big old mouse. There we go. Oh. Ooh. Oh. This current is strong. This dude is fighting. He's got that beautiful freaking color. Come here, boy. Come here. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Gosh, these colors are gorgeous. Let me get over here. I'm gonna mess up so much. Come on, get over here. Dude, this thing is so sick. I don't know if y'all can see that color, but there we go. Boom, guys, what a day on the water. Ending the day where I started last time, and guys, it was an absolute awesome day because they were a lot more willing to bite today. The crawfish, maybe it was the color change, I don't know, maybe it was the day. It's hard to say, but I'm super happy that I caught a big one, and especially here because the fish here, if you've been here before, you know they're not easy to catch, especially when they get a lot bigger like that size, like 21, maybe 22 inches. Whew. Awesome day. But appreciate y'all guys watching. If you haven't already and you're brand new to the channel and you stuck all the way to the end, give the video a big thumbs up, and if you're not, hit the subscribe button if you like kayak bass fishing, guys. Appreciate y'all watching, and I'll see you on the next episode with Manny B and the Skinny Water Boys.